Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Grok 3 if you're a beginner. In order to do so, here we are at x.com and we can find Grok here, but you can also go to your app store, whether you're on iOS or Android, and you can download Grok and access it directly that way. But you can always get it through x.com. And on the left-hand side in the menu, you can see here that we have Grok. If we click on that, then there you go. We can now access Grok 3. And if we go back here to the home page, you also have a chat box that you can access as well. So if you're on the home page, you see that little icon there at the bottom right-hand corner, then you can open that up and you can get access to Grok that way as well. So very handy. And as far as getting used to Grok here, so first thing that we want to point out is our history. So if we click on that, then this is where you're going to find all of the different chats that you have had with Grok. You can create bookmarks. You can also find all of your images as well. So that's very nice. And if you're looking for your past chats and you're not sure where to find them, that's where you're going to find them there. We have a few other options here to take a look at. We have our attach options. So if you have a file that you want to attach so that Grok can analyze that. So if you have that in a document, and this is actually a really good thing to do because this can save you a lot of time. What I've actually gotten into the habit of doing is if I get good information from my chatbots, then what I do is I save that in my Google Docs or I save it in my notepad, and then I can attach this later. So that way I don't have to explain myself every single time I want to start a new conversation with Grok. And if I want to pick up where I left off in something else, we also have deep search. So with this, if you click on that, then Grok is going to search extra hard through the internet for information related to your question. We also have the think option. And with this means that Grok is going to just do more thinking about your question. So if you really want to dig deep on something and you want to make sure that you're getting the best information, then you might want to use that option. We also have the edit image option, which is very neat. And this is where you can bring in your own images and you can edit them. And all you have to do is just specify to Grok what it is that you're looking for. So if you have an image, for example, that has words on it and you want to take those words out, well, then you could just bring that in and just tell Grok, please remove the words, and Grok will do that. We also have our little menu here. This is where you can find your advanced settings for Grok, and you have different tools that you can enable or disable, and you have some additional options here for deep search. And that's basically all there is to it. Very straightforward. I mean, you could spend a lot of time with Grok. There's actually a lot of things that you can do on a more advanced level. And there are plenty of tutorials out there that you can get into that can really dig down into that. But what I would suggest you do is just ask Grok. If you have any questions about something you're not sure about and you wonder if Grok can handle that for you, just ask. Say, Grok, can you do this for me? And there's a good chance that Grok will say yes and explain how to go about that. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations, including our socials. Click on any of those links to get started. We would love to have you here on X as well, and you'd be helping us out by clicking on those links. We'd greatly appreciate it.